Welcome to this comprehensive guide on pharmaceutical manufacturing interview preparation. In this video, you will learn the essential knowledge, concepts, equipment, and real-world practices required to succeed in pharmaceutical manufacturing careers. Whether you are a student, fresher, or experienced professional, this guide will help you strengthen your fundamentals and perform confidently in interviews. Good manufacturing practice, or GMP, is a system that ensures pharmaceutical products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. GMP protects patients by ensuring product safety, efficacy, and regulatory compliance. It is not just a rule, it is a commitment to public health. Documentation is the backbone of pharmaceutical manufacturing. Standard operating procedures, or SOPs, provide written instructions to perform tasks consistently. Batch manufacturing records document every step of production for each batch. A batch refers to a specific quantity of product produced under identical conditions. Qualification verifies that equipment and systems are installed correctly and operate as intended. Validation provides documented evidence that processes consistently produce products meeting specifications. In simple terms, qualification focuses on equipment, while validation focuses on processes. Tablet manufacturing involves several key steps. Granulation forms granules from powders. Blending ensures uniform distribution of ingredients. Compression converts granules into tablets. Coating applies protective layers to improve stability, appearance, and drug release. Manufacturing begins with material preparation. Mechanical or vibro sifters remove lumps and foreign particles and ensure uniform particle size before processing. Rapid mixer granulator performs wet granulation. It mixes active ingredients with excipients and binder solution to produce wet granules. Fluid bed dryer removes moisture from wet granules using controlled hot air. This step produces dry granules with the required moisture content. Multimal breaks oversized lumps and produces uniform granule size. Uniform granules improve flow properties and compression performance. Blenders perform final mixing. Lubricants and glidants are added to produce a ready-to-compress blend with uniform distribution. Tablet press machines compress granules into tablets. Critical parameters include tablet weight, hardness, and thickness. Coating machines apply film, sugar, or enteric coating. Coating improves tablet stability, appearance, and release profile. Equipment summary: these machines form the core of tablet manufacturing equipment used in pharmaceutical production facilities. In-process control testing ensures product quality during manufacturing. Common tablet tests include weight variation, hardness, thickness, friability, disintegration, and dissolution. If any IPC test fails, production stops immediately and investigation begins. Cleaning validation ensures removal of residues and contaminants. Cross-contamination prevention involves proper cleaning, segregation, and controlled air systems. Line clearance confirms that no previous product remains before starting a new batch. Personal hygiene also plays a critical role in preventing contamination. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, if it is not documented, it did not happen. Entries must be clear, legible, and permanent. Corrections should use a single-line strike-through method. Every entry must be signed and dated with justification for any changes. Quality assurance focuses on preventing defects through systems, procedures, and training. Quality control focuses on testing and verifying product quality. Both functions work together to ensure safe and effective medicines. Stability studies determine how long a product remains safe and effective. Accelerated studies predict long-term stability. Intermediate studies bridge the gap. Long-term studies confirm actual shelf life. Out-of-specification results occur when test results fall outside acceptance criteria. Immediate actions include stopping production, identifying root causes, and implementing corrective actions. Out-of-trend results are within limits but show unusual patterns. Safety standards protect both personnel and product quality. Personal protective equipment, safety data sheets, and emergency procedures are essential components of pharmaceutical safety programs. Real-world scenarios: manufacturing environments require quick and correct decision-making. Situations such as IPC failure, wrong material issuance, missing line clearance, documentation errors, or equipment breakdown must be handled according to SOPs and GMP principles. Pharmaceutical manufacturing professionals carry a significant responsibility. Every action directly impacts patient safety. Strict adherence to procedures, attention to detail, and continuous improvement ensure the delivery of safe and effective medicines. Thank you for watching.